2025 한강 불빛 공연 2000대 스페셜 드론 라이트 쇼입니다. 지난 공연의 뜨거운 호응에 이어서 다시 한번 앵콜 공연을 하게 됐는데요. 오늘 드론 쇼 주제는 뭐죠? 맞습니다. Kpop 데몬 헌터스인 서울입니다. 총 2천여 대가 만들어내는 환상적인 빛의 향연이 특별한 축제가 될 텐데요. 자, 여러분 만나볼 준비 되셨나요? 좋습니다. Fly with Seoul, Shining Seoul 2025 한강 불빛 공연 드론 라이트 쇼 하반기 특별 공연 Kpop Demon Hunters in Seoul. 지금부터 밤하늘 수놓을 그 화려한 공연의 막이 오릅니다.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now. I'm running around it opens up for the power, more than gold. Yeah, you gave me a heart, now I'm here for your soul. I'm the only one who will love your sins. Feel the way my voice gets underneath your skin. Listen, cause I'm reaching to the fire. Can I get the mic a little higher? Give me your desire. I can be the star you rely on. Hold the chair, you can't look away. Don't you know I'm insane? Everyone around, I'm all you need. I'ma be your idol. Reaching on the flame, cancel what you, I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going viral.
Your place, 'cause you're rotten within. When your patterns start to show, it makes the hatred wanna grow out my veins. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. Break you into pieces in a world of pain. 'Cause you're all the same. Yeah, it's a takedown. A devil in the belly don't deserve to live. It's so obvious. I'ma gear up and take you down. Oh, you're the master of illusion. 나를 속이려 하지마.
I try to smile, I was suffocating though, but here with you I can finally breathe. You say you're no good, but you're good for me. I've been hoping to change, now I know we can change, but I won't if you're not by my side. Why does it feel
Right, every time I let you in. Why does it feel like I can tell you anything? We can't fix it if we never face it. What if we find a way to escape it? We could be free. We can't fix it if we never face it. Let the past be the past and it's weightless. Oh, So tonight 달 끝까지 달려가 볼까 Yeah 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 yeah
Just right 식동에 걸어 웩셀에 발을 홀려 모든 것이 특별해 너 완전 어울려 무엇을 원하든 I'ma make it work Yeah Shorty I'm a party till the sundown 지금 이 시비로운 느낌은 뭘까 완전 내게로 와서 비틀어 sunrise